Hello kids! Today we're going to talk about arthropods. They are part of the invertebrate animals because they do not have backbones. Arthropods are classified in three groups: insects like butterflies, arachnids like spiders, and crustaceans like crabs. Insects usually have two antennae, one and two antennae. They have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And they usually have 4 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4 wings. But sometimes insects do not have wings. Arachnids, they have 8 legs, like this spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. And like this scorpion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. Arachnids do not have antennae and do not have wings. Ew, I really don't like arachnids. And we have crustaceans. They have 2 antennae, 1 and 2. They have 10 legs. Imagine having 10 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! And they have a shell to protect their thorax. To conclude, remember that arthropods are invertebrate animals because they do not have backbones. They are classified in insects like the butterflies and dragonflies, arachnids like spiders and scorpions, and crustaceans like crabs. Remember that insects have 6 legs, arachnids have 8 legs, and crustaceans have 10 legs. Okay, that's it for today, guys.